Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Today we'll do a short composition on India, my country. This is a beautiful composition because all what you know, you love India, you are an Indian, and there are a lot of little things that are so different from others. First of all, we are the second most populous country in population, next to China, then industry, lot of things. There are a lot of things to talk about. The main thing when you talk about your country, my country, India, we will say the cultures, varied cultures we have, number of religions that we have, yet we live in unity, and all kinds. What about you got Himalayas, you got the desert, different landforms we have. So it's a beautiful country, and then we talk about the freedom we obtained, and later we become a democratic country. And what's most beautiful is wherever you go, whichever part of the world, whichever country you go, you find Indians topping, prospering. Why? Because of the hard work they put in. So we will write a short composition on India, my country. India, my country. When you write about your country, what will you say? Proud. Yes, you must say, I am extremely proud of my country, India. That's the first sentence we write. I am, or I am greatly proud of my country, India. Now, what else can you say about India, your country? You would say it's the biggest democracy in the world. It's one of the largest and the biggest democracy in the world. It is the biggest biggest democracy in the world. What next? Say, India, I am greatly proud of my country, India. It is the biggest democracy in the world. Then, it is the second most populous populated country and the seventh most industrialized nation in the world. So, we are the second most populated country. We are the second most populated. We are the second most populated country and the seventh most industrialized nation in the world. And the seventh most industrialized nation. in the world. Okay. Okay, now let's look at it. India, my country. I am greatly proud of my country, India. It is the biggest democracy in the world. We are the second most populated country and the seventh most industrialized nation in the world. Now, what else can we say about India? Our economy, the money, is among the top 5. Okay? And again, the strength of the army, also one of the top 5. So, we would say our economy is among the top 5, is among the top 5. And so is the strength of the army. And so is the strength. We are standing 5th. Okay? The top 5. And so is the strength of our army. Now, look at most of the things you are proud of. I am greatly proud of my country, India. Why? There are many things to be proud of. 1, it is the biggest democracy in the world, second most populated, and the 7th most industrialized nation, and we are one of the top 5 in economy and the strength of the army. So there are many things that you have to be proud of your country. Again, it is the best example of the phrase unity in diversity. We have all kinds of people, different religion, different, all kinds of things we have. Type of food, the dressing, everything is so different and yet we are united. So, India is the best example. India is the best example of the phrase unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. Okay, next. We have many different languages. We have both written and spoken. We have several languages. So we can say also we have lots of religions, number of religions, number of languages spoken. So we'll say we have people of all religion. We have people of all religions. Many different languages are spoken. Many different. Many different languages are spoken. Okay, next, what could we say? What about the food? We have varieties of food and clothes and different types of houses. So we would say for every 100 meter, they say, there is a change of food, clothes and language. They say for every 100, for every 100 kilometers, we have, if for every 100 kilometers, there is a change. There is a change of food, clothes, and languages. Food, clothes, and languages. This is something unique of India. Then we have ever so many festivals, and we have our own customs also. So we have, every religion has festivals. Every religion has festivals. And their own customs. Festivals and their own customs. They say India is the largest producer of milk in the world. India, we are the largest producer of milk, wheat, and sugar. We are the largest producer of milk, wheat, and sugar. Milk, wheat, and sugar. And sugar. They say wherever Indians are there, they're renowned all over for their technical and engineering skill. So Indians are known all over the world for their technical and engineering skill. So we are wanted all over. Indians are known for their technical and engineering skills. Skills. Okay, what else? They say we are also highly sought after in the field of information and technology. So a lot of things we can be proud of. They say our culture dates back to thousands of years. Our culture dates back to thousands of years. What have we given the world? We have given the world yoga and Ayurveda. What have we given? We have given the world what have we given the world? Yoga and Ayurveda. Yoga and Ayurveda. They say we have given a lot of contributions in the field of science, mathematics, philosophy, music, and today we are an important nation. So there are lots more we can write, but today we are writing a short composition on India. India is a country we can be proud of for all the things. Now, what must we do? We, as children, we must maintain constancy in our pride by keeping up to all this, working very hard in our studies and whatever we do. India, my country. I am greatly proud of my country, India. It is the biggest democracy in the world. We are the second most populated country and the seventh most industrialized nation in the world. Our economy is among the top 5, and so is the strength of the army, of our army. India is the best example of the phrase unity in diversity. We have people of all religions, many different languages are spoken. For every 100 kilometers, there is a change of food, clothes, languages. Every religion has festivals and their own customs. We are the largest producer of milk, wheat, and sugar. Indians are known for their technical and engineering skills all over the globe. Our culture dates back to thousands of years, and we have given the world yoga and Ayurveda.